How to change the mobile hotspot band in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to switch between different frequency bands for your hotspot connection. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Network and Internet in the left sidebar. After that, click on Mobile Hotspot on the right side of the screen. At this point, click the Edit button under the Network Properties section. From here, you'll see a drop-down labeled Network Band. Click on it to see the available options. Following this, you'll have a few bands to choose from. Any available lets Windows automatically pick the best band based on what connected devices support. 2.4 GHz offers a wider range and better compatibility with older devices, but slower speeds. 5 GHz offers faster speeds and less interference, but has a shorter range and works best when devices are closer to your PC. After that, select whichever band suits your situation best and click Save to confirm. Finally, keep in mind that if you switch to 5 GHz and a nearby device can't connect, it may not support that frequency. Switching back to 2.4 GHz or any available will fix that straight away. That's how you change the mobile hotspot band in Windows 11.